Hi guys, this is Miss Pineda, your school counselor. I have a new book for you this week, and we're going to start off by saying thank you to the publisher, Scholastic. Thank you to Jane Yolen and Mark Teague for allowing us to read this book. How Do Dinosaurs Stay Safe? By Jane Yolen, illustrated by Mark Teague. How does a dinosaur stay safe all day, whether at home or at school or at play? Does he climb up too high or jump on his bed? Does he race on his bike with no helmet on head? Is he rough with the cat? Does he stand up on chairs? When mama says no, does he run down the stairs? If anyone dares him, does he always try to jump from the rooftop as if he could fly? No, a dinosaur doesn't, and I'll tell you why. When crossing the street, he holds mama's hand tight, and he's ever so watchful to cross with a light. He's careful with forks, knives, and spoons when he eats. He never goes off with strangers he meets. When swimming with friends, he is careful to be right at the spot where his papa can see. He wears a good helmet when riding a bike. Takes bottles of water when on a long hike. Always safe, never sorry. In playtime and fun, our dinosaur knows how to dial 911. He's careful, not fearful, so here's a big roar. Stay safe and play safe, little dinosaur. Mamas and papas always want their little dinosaurs to be safe from harm, and that means teaching them how to cross the street, how to handle strangers, and how to call 911. In this book, dinosaur antics evolve into examples of humorous but helpful behavior. Why do we want our children to stay safe? Because we love them so much. The end.